Morning guys, welcome to day 2 of our vlogs. Today we're off to Hollywood Studios. We are all wrapped up today because temperature outside at the minute is I feel like 4 degrees. So it's very chilly. It's very unusual for Florida to be this cold. Kids are all in little fleece jackets that we bought from Uniqlo last night. Faye's just putting hers on as well. So yeah, we're going to get the Skyliner across to Hollywood Studios for a fun-filled day there.
So we just woke up and we're at Toyland, I think that's called Star Wars place, Batuu, and we're eating a wonton wrap. So I just changed the camera, and yep, I'm on an angle. Why are they gonna see it? No, come. Yummy time. Ooh.
Nice. Wrap my fingers. Here, do you want any more?
Very chilly this morning.
Luckily we're all wrapped up, apart from Daddy.
So we're done.
We did 2 goes on alien swirling saucers.
What did we do first?
Oh, Toy Story Mania, which Thea loved. Yeah, then we did swirling saucers, and Thea insisted on going back round for another go because it was that good. And then we moved along to Batuu to go on Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run, which I thought Thea was enjoying at the time, but apparently doesn't ever want to go on it ever again.
Me and Freddie were not good pilots.
Well, apparently she did.
Just had a bite to eat, and then I don't know what we're going to get. Watch one of the shows maybe?
Yeah.
At least it's warming up now, the sun's out now, it's starting to warm up. It's just opening up, so it's jumped in queue, I was really nice. So hopefully a queue won't be too long.
Well, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive? Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Princess Elsa was different. She was born with special powers.
Magical powers that created snow and ice, and oh, how Anna loved playing with Elsa's magical snow.
Until one night when something awful happened and Elsa built a monster snowman. Show 'em that!
Hey, no, you're jumping way too far ahead. Elsa broke something to set with her magical powers.
The king and the queen took Anna to help the trolls.
Elsa? Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like it's gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I'm push you and tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? You're growing up to be a snowman. Okay, bye. Do you wanna build a snowman? Rise like an apple. Somebody's on don't know how to land or Cassie. I'm somewhere in
Hey. Buddy, give it a hug. You're gonna take a picture? Hey, Buddy, you gonna get up and give him a cuddle? Go give him a cuddle. Hi guys, so we're back on the Skyliner heading towards Pop. We've had a great morning in Hollywood Studios, even though the weather was absolutely freezing. We had lunch
Ladies and
in
gentlemen,
Hollywood Dynamite.
welcome aboard the Disney
That was absolutely
Skyliner
brilliant.
at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Really nice to see the
We are
characters in
on
their
our
Christmas
way to
outfit. Just
Disney's
makes it
Caribbean
extra
Resort
special.
with connecting flights to Epcot International
After
Gateway,
that, we just went and
Disney's
saw
Pop-centric
Little Mermaid.
resort, and Disney's
We
Art of
did have a
Animation
fast
Resort.
pass to get on
We hope you
Minnie
enjoyed
and
your
Mickey's
visit to
Runaway
Hollywood
Railway.
today.
It's been
Now
down
wave
all
goodbye
day.
to your adoring fans below.
We were meant to ride it
Bye.
earlier, but when we were in the queue, it broke down. So we got a Moti past Lightning Lane, which we haven't actually used yet. So we got a dash for it and went back to do it, but the Lightning Lane was wrapped around nearly to the Frozen live show. So it looked like it would have been at least a 20-minute wait for that. So we decided, we'll come back, have a rest. We're back in tonight. We're back into Hollywood Studios tonight. Freddie is building a lightsaber and a droid. We'll also go into Ogres. So we'll just nip back to the hotel, have a quick little rest for about an hour, and then go back in.
Yeah, it's played.
Freddie,
Yeah, it's pulled.
what was your favourite ride today?
I have to say Slinky Dog.
Slinky Dog?
Yeah, I love Slinky Dog.
Thea, what was your favourite ride?
Slinky Dog.
Slinky Dog. So Thea didn't want to go on Slinky Dog and cried, but then she went on Slinky Dog, so she got herself, for going on it, she got a special treat. A candy cane bubble wand, which gives out peppermint smelling bubbles. So yeah, so far we've had 3 Skyliners and they've all been plain, so hopefully, fingers crossed, the next one will have a character, because the kids are desperate.
A few moments later.
So we've just got back on the Skyliner. We've had a quick rest at Pop. We're heading back into Hollywood Studios. After having 4 plain Skyliners, we have finally got Stitch!
Welcome
So the
aboard the
kids
Disney
are super
Skyliner
happy.
at Disney's Pop Century.
So guys, this is unbelievable. Our second Skyliner on the way to Hollywood Studios, and we got the one that Faye has tried to get on for 2 trips running. We have finally got
Mike Wazowski!
The most magical
So we're back
flight
on our
Earth.
way to Hollywood Studios, and we all have 2 t-shirts and at least 2 jumpers and an extra jumper packed, because it's still really cold. It feels like 8 degrees at the moment, and so the plan is to watch Fantasmic, and it's going to be really chilly. So we will see how we get along. Go, tell me about your drink.
No, wait. Should we introduce it we got to a restaurant, the Star Wars restaurant. I got a drink. It's a colour changing one. So it used to be blue, but when you mix it up, it turns to the dark side. I know I'm all about the dark. And yeah, and I really like this drink. It's like very cold and icy. Look at all of that ice. Okay. It's actually warm. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah, I really like the drink. I really like it.
Do you like your drink? Your space drink?
what you got? Hyperdrive drink.
Hyperdrive. And what happened when you stirred it? It changed colour.
Just ice my drink. It's really just ice my drink.
Yeah.
It's like a black see-through head with some black legs. No, you can't have that head, because you've got to have that dome-shaped head. You want that black and red one? You want this one?
Yeah. Where's the legs? Where's the white legs?
Those white and red legs. Is that what you want? White and red legs with black and red body and head.
Oh, so that is going to be your right side, this is going to be your left here. And then, so, yep, if you want to stand them up or put them on his side. Put them on the side, kind of like so.
I will let you keep this piece up, so in case later on you do want to swap it, this is like
Yep.
what you have, and then
So I've got a screwdriver here, so you're going to be able to grab that. Alright, it's on a pulley system, okay? So then this is going to be your power line.
Listen.
So then you're going to want to get it right into that slot there, make sure that it's in, and then you'll be able to push the power in to tighten it. Yep. Perfect. Alright, so now we can do that other side there. There we go. Perfect. So now what we're going to be able to do is we're going to be able to get that head on for you, right? And you are also going to get to pick between 2 of these different arms there and line it up. That middle one, that middle eye, you're going to line it up with those 3 spires underneath. So these 3 spires, you're going to line up that middle eye.
So that goes down the middle, that's it. No, move it close a bit.
That makes us like, oh my god. There you go. Alright, so now we're going to take the basket. Well, I'll put this away, you're going to get to pick between these 2 different ones. like all for the same.
Or you can make him even taller. I'm gonna shorten his legs.
Alright, so we're gonna get this activated, alright?
And then I can bring the backpack for you. Did you get my personality chip right up here? Okay, awesome. We'll do that next. That's fine.
Just activate them. Perfect. Now let's get that going in there. Oh, the map? So then this one is also going to move your head. And that's going to be your sound right there, alright? Okay. Personality chip now? Perfect. I like it. Yeah.
Nice. Listen then.
Alright, so there's going to be your chip. And then you're going to have a little door here. You're going to be able to put that chip right in. You might have to push a little harder than you think.
Push, push, push. Go on the front.
You get
Ready?
red, white, and blue, and black.
White.
No, he wanted to sleep in today.
Yeah.
Put one up there.
The nerves.
Push, push.
Snap those into place there.
See how you need one of them. Look exactly what
You're welcome. Is he just like...
Yeah.
So Freddie loved building a droid. And now he's outside playing on the mat. That's just outside Droid Depot. To be honest, it's a good experience. It's $129.99. And then he got a sassy chip, which was an extra $19.99. He absolutely loved it, so that's the main thing. Thea's now having a go. She is very jealous. What she doesn't know though is that she's got stuff booked for her later in the holidays, so that's why she hasn't built one.
The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today, you feel that connection. The blue crystal, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker.
I like to start open and facing up. That is the top. That's perfect. It's called crystal. So I like to do this by keeping my finger with it. Keep the crystal with my fingers from the front and back, and pull the crystal up and stay against the spray until it feels nice and straight. Now this is the hardest part of the build. That was clean, almost got it. I think I was straightened out.
Right, now red one first.
Make sure your camera's under.
The red. Other way, other way, other way.
Make sure you're really pushing as you're twisting. There you go. Same thing on the other side. There you go. Okay, other way around, upside down.
Other way, mate. No. Take it off. That's it.
So that, so take that one off, put that one back. That's it. Yeah, that's it, mate.
It used to be a where I do all 55 classes. You can still see it.
That's the domat on the bottom. Take whichever one you want.
Yeah, it's usually a bit easier. And just twist, twist, twist.
It's Master Yoda. And it is indeed time to take that next step. We've reached the final part of the process. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I'll ask each of you to come forward and place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, using your activation switch, not pulling, together we will activate it. Slide that top switch forward. Good! Builders, raise your lightsabers! Yeah. You built a lightsaber! Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you! And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark.
There she is. Look at Mummy. Over here. Turn it on. Don't. Freddie, no, no. It's too expensive to run with.
To create magical imagery for all to enjoy. Nothing is more wonderful than the imagination. For in a moment, you can experience a beautiful fantasy or an exciting adventure. But beware, nothing is more powerful than the imagination.
guys, so we've had a wonderful evening in Hollywood Studios. As you can see, I've got my hood up because
Ladies
it's
and
still
gentlemen,
chilly out there.
welcome aboard the Disney
So
Skyliner
tonight
at
we
Disney's
have
Hollywood Studios.
been
We
in
are
Galaxy's
on our way
Edge.
to Disney's
We
Caribbean
went in
Beach
Ogres,
Resort with connecting
had a
flights
nice
to
drink in
Epcot
Ogres.
International Gateway,
I had a fuzzy
Disney's
tom-tom.
Pop Century Resort,
Made my mouth
and Disney's
all
Art of
fuzzy.
Animation Resort.
Faye had, what did you have, Faye?
We hope you enjoyed
Jedi
your
Mind
visit
Trick.
to Hollywood today.
Jedi
Now
Mind Trick,
wave
and the
goodbye to
kids
your adoring fans
had
below. Bye!
Hyperspace,
Yes, hyperspace.
which changed colour when they stirred it. So after Ogres we went and Freddie built a droid. He built, I don't know what droid he built, but it was the only one I didn't actually know what it was called. And then after that he built his lightsaber, and he picked to build
The limited edition.
yeah, the limited edition, which is like not reform, that's something totally different. Was it?
That's what you said to me. Rebuild and reform?
No, can't remember what it's called now, but yeah, so Freddie built a lightsaber.
We got
did a
hair
good
rings as
job.
well.
A
Oh,
pen,
did you?
got a pen,
Oh,
No,
okay.
pen, I mean.
got a pen. And yeah, so we then watched Fantasmic, which is brilliant. It's my favourite show. Loved that. Kids loved it. What was your best bit of Fantasmic, Freddie?
I like the snake and the dragon breathing fire above the water.
Yeah,
That was amazing.
it was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Wetlands
So now we're
around
back
Walt Disney
in
World Resort travels
on
all
the
the way to the
Skyliner,
Everglades,
and this
the
time we
Atlantic
got
Ocean, and the Gulf of
Zootopia,
Mexico.
which is another one of Faye's favourites. So she's ticking them all off this holiday now. Theo, what was your favourite part of the show?
Mickey Mouse saving
Mickey Mouse saving
Mickey
the
Mouse
day.
saving the day.
That's great.
Good old Mickey Mouse.
Good
We
old
did say though that he could have at least let the fire in the lake last a bit longer because it was quite warm. Anyway, we're gonna head back now, get the kids to bed.
Did you know that the
and
entire
head
Walt
back-
Disney World Resort
warm
is
up
over
and head
40
to bed
square
ourselves.
miles?
So we'll
That's
see you
about
all
the same
tomorrow.
size as the city of San